templates are the preferred way of creating an environment in Bunnyshell. It's very fast, reliable, and predictable. So moving forward, I will assume that you already know how an environment looks like in Bunnyshell. If not, please visit the environment overview video. But for this video, let's go to the template section and see what a template is all about. So a template essentially contains all that's needed for an environment to be spun up. It contains its components, its environment variables, and volumes. Now, I can have multiple sources of templates for the custom templates. There are also Bunnyshell available templates, but in this video we'll focus on the custom ones because this is probably what you need for your own project. So for this template source, which is ultimately a repository, as you can see here, it's the custom templates repository in my Git account for the main branch. For this I have two templates, one for development and one for staging. The development one has debugging enabled, packages for debugging installed, cache disabled, and so on. Basically what you'd expect from a development environment. While the staging one is basically the opposite. It's close to production. The front end is built, there are no source code files there, caching is enabled, no debugging tooling, and so on. So let's say I want to create a staging environment. I'm gonna call it demo stage for lack of inspiration, and I'm gonna create it in the playground project. Right now the environment is created and I have an environment in draft state with its components, the API, the database, and the application. I'm gonna deploy the environment. This is the only thing left to do, and we're gonna see it live pretty soon. One more thing to mention regarding templates: you can also click on a specific template to see more information. This is something that you can customize in the README section or in the template YAML itself. You can see the configuration for the environments that will be generated from this, and this is it. This is basically the configuration which was literally copied towards my newly created environment, which is now being deployed. Just one more thing to mention: I would like to also create an environment. You can also use templates after you've created an environment from the blank screen of the environment detail page, and have the same template basically copied into your existing environment. It's the very same outcome. So I'm gonna deploy this one as well, and now I will have two deployments in progress for this template. So this is it.